What type of apartment can you get in Lagos, Nigeria for 115 million naira? My name is Z and I'll be taking you on a tour of a 115 million naira apartment sitting in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria, one of the most expensive cities in Africa. Ever had the fantasy of living in a highbrow, luxurious, contemporary, sky-level apartment, fully serviced and fully functional, with everything in suite, a swimming pool, a gym, clean water, spacious dining and living area, 24-hour security, 24 hours power, backup generator, good access roads, CCTV cameras, balconies with amazing view and adequate parking space, and above all, built with the finest of the finest building materials. Now, this is offering you a contemporary 3-bedroom apartment, fully serviced, luxury at its peak. Let's take a tour of this beautiful apartment. Fully serviced is a 3-bedroom apartment going for 115 million naira. And the location, you might ask, it's Lekki Phase 1, overseeing the Lekki Epe Expressway. Now, the views for this apartment is amazing. Let's get into it. Like I always tell people, the fastest and easiest way to buy a good property in Lagos, by good I mean location wise, is amazing, the price is good, is to buy even before the foundation is dug. Yes, because there are a lot of people with money to throw around, so you have to beat the competition. Now, like I said, this property has 12 units in it and 11 are already sold out. Just this last one remaining. When did that happen? While under construction. That is when you should purchase a property in Lagos. So Lekki Epe Expressway in Lagos, Nigeria. Now we're done with the living area. Let's get into one of the rooms. So this is one of the rooms. Like I said earlier, it's a 3-bedroom apartment. This is one of the rooms, all in suite. And look at the view from this room. You could see the Lekki Expressway, and yeah, I mean, you could just stay here and see what's happening. And like I said, it has a wardrobe already and an inbuilt shower and everything in between. I love the black color of the shower, and yeah, the space there is for your supplies, your beauty supplies. The fittings are already done, so let's get into another room. This is another room, is also under construction. Like I said, the best time to buy in Lagos is to buy under construction. So this is another room. It is not the master's bedroom, but this is slightly bigger than the other one we just saw and has a better view than the other one we just saw. This is also the Lekki Epe Expressway. It also has a wardrobe as well and is in suite with a toilet and a bathroom as well. I love the uniformity of the bathroom and the toilet in all the rooms. Now let's go to the master's bedroom. For me, the master's bedroom should be the best because it would top the chart. What is the master's bedroom without being the mastery of everything? I wonder as well. But first, let's check out the kitchen. The kitchen is more compact, but it's has everything you need: a microwave, an oven, the heat extractor. Everything is all fitted here as well. I do love that it also has the wardrobe fitted in as well, like for storage and stuff. It also has more like a pantry area where you could store your stuff. It's a very simple kitchen, most likely very simple, very easy things to do. This is the back of the kitchen. Also has a view. I mean, just think about frying plantain like your dodo while it's frying and you're overlooking the Lekki Epe Expressway. What a view, my people. What a view. So like I said earlier, it also has like an elevator that takes you up here and everything. So let's get into the master's bedroom. I know you are itching to look at it. Look at that sink. It's beautifully fitted with the state of the art kitchen equipment to make your life easy. Like, this life is so easy. Like, just live it. Live it. That view, like, look at that. It also has like the wardrobe, a bigger one as well, from the top to the bottom. It has its own bathroom and toilet as well, everything all fitted with the mirrors. The bathroom is a bit bigger than the other two we've seen. It has its wardrobes as well, all fitted in already. Look at that view, people. Just look at that. Let me take a first look at this. I mean, I just have to. I have to. This is beautiful. Beautiful. It's relaxing. It's everything you should want in a home, in an apartment. This is ideal for newlyweds. This is ideal for an Airbnb. This is ideal for a little family, a single girl, a bachelor, anything you want, even a family. This is ideal for everyone. Look at that view. It's the view for me. Like, it's the view for me. I keep saying it's the view for me. The world is just, it's an easygoing place, right? The world is just an easygoing place if you put everything you have to in check. Like, this view, you get to know when the traffic is on and when the traffic has eased off. You know, the traffic to Aja, you get to look at it and everything is just beautiful. So yeah, if you're interested in getting this apartment, please call the number in the description. I'll also leave here for you to gain access to this property. And yeah, how you can buy an apartment with a view in Lagos, Nigeria in 2022. Just take a look at this view. You can't even see. It's blinding. It's blinding. It's blinding. And that's how you should be blinding your enemies. Like, can you see? Like, you can see the whole of Lagos. That's how it should be. Currently, this is the last unit up for sale, and it's currently going for 115 million naira. You can use it for an Airbnb, any other thing you want. Like, you can use it for an Airbnb, for an apartment, just anything at all. So I wanted you guys to see the exterior part of this building. Look at how beautiful this state-of-the-art, magnificent, like, my English is even cutting because of how beautiful this apartment is. Like, I love how it is. I just wanted to show you guys what your environment will look like if you're able to purchase this property. This is your environment. This is how your environment looks. It's so beautiful, so breathtaking.